to the world of cybersecurity. Ready to unveil some secret codes? Let's dive into these acronyms together. First up is CIA. These heroes protect your information. Confidentiality keeps secrets, integrity ensures accuracy, and availability makes sure you can access it anytime. Next, we have AAA. Imagine a theme park. Authentication checks your ticket, authorization gives you ride access, and accounting tracks your fun. Say hello to MFA. Just a password won't cut it. Add a fingerprint, and boom, door unlocked. Multi-factor authentication for extra security. Ever heard of an IP? It's like the address for houses, but for computers. Every online device needs one to make connections. Here's DNS. Think of it as the internet's phone book. It translates memorable web addresses into numerical IPs. VPN time. A hacker might be watching, but with a VPN, you can cloak yourself and browse the web anonymously. Poof, you're gone. Oh, IDS to the rescue. An intrusion detection system spots trouble and raises the alarm when someone unwanted tries to enter. Meet IPS. Unlike its cousin, the intrusion prevention system doesn't just alert. It proactively stops threats right at the door. See 'em in action. Our detective unites clues from systems worldwide, helping visualize and respond to security risks. Teamwork is key. Oops, DLP to the rescue. Like a superhero, data loss prevention swoops in to protect important info. No homework left behind. SSL/TLS ensures your online shopping is secure. With a padlock guarding your data, feel safe while you shop till you drop. AES is like a treasure chest, encrypting your valuable data. Only those with the right key can unlock its treasures. Worried about your emails being intercepted? RSA ensures only the key holder can open that locked mailbox. Your secrets are safe. Oh, DOS/DDoS attack. Imagine a door overwhelmed by visitors. Systems can get flooded, blocking access for everyone. MITM in action. Like a sneaky spy, a man in the middle intercepts your chat, tinkering with messages. Trust no one. Beware of SQLI. Just like a hacker might inject malicious code into a login box, they can manipulate data. Stay vigilant. XSS attack alert. It's like a hidden clown popping up with annoying ads. Make sure your website protects against these tricks. GDPR ensures your data privacy. Think of it as the law, protecting your personal info like a dedicated officer. Look at our cybersecurity heroes. Together, they shield the internet. Remember these acronyms. They're your front line against threats.